Incisions SOLIDWORKS, the paper drawing of finished part. To create with the command section view, from the panel view layout. Activate the command model view and double click left mouse button. Front, orientation front, and specify scale. Command section view. By activating the command, select the section line and specify an anchor point on the on one of the view. Select. One of the vertical, horizontal and auxiliary, of course, but aligned a little differently. Activate the command and click here. Choose the cursor line and another course, set OK, and click on the free field.